What's up? Yeah, boy. What do you have, an R6?
Yeah.
Yeah. What year is it?
2007. What's this thing?
This is it's a 2020.
I was gonna say this thing's new as hell.
It is. How long have you been riding?
I've been riding for 2 years probably.
2 years. I've like a year and a half. Yeah, a year and a half.
Are you from Columbus or?
Yeah.
You going to school here or what are you doing?
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah, I'm going here. I'm going for aerospace.
Engineering?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was I was mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
And I switched my major twice. I went mechanical, and then I went PT, and then I decided I want to be a pilot. And then I just went with an easy degree. So right now I'm criminal justice, and I'm probably gonna take that to just have a bachelor's, and then I'm gonna go get a pilot's license hopefully.
Can't you do that here?
I think so. Yeah. That's the plan. But I mean, no matter where I go, I think there's a lot of schools around.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro. So how's it going?
Oh, it's going great. I was just out riding. I got a little rained on, but
yeah, I was hoping it was gonna rain.
Was it?
I know that sounds like fucking masochistic, but I was trying to like on my action camera, there's a filter on it, and I'm trying to get these like cinematic shots, and I was wondering what it would look like in the rain.
Oh.
Cause I have a YouTube channel and I want to like record like me riding in the rain and shit.
Oh, gotcha. What's your YouTube channel?
It's do you have a phone on you? Oh, I'm almost done. Yeah, dude.
How expensive was that?
It was, yeah, like I did finance it. I was like, fuck it. But do you watch anime at all?
I'm not a ton, but some.
Okay. Have you watched One Punch Man?
Yes.
You're gonna get this reference then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like the name of my channel is just a spoof.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. You know Mumen Rider?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I call myself, bro. Hold on.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
I've been doing it for I want to say I've been doing it for like 2 or 3 months now.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I try and put out videos regularly, but like right when school started, I kind of stopped for like a week or two.
Yeah.
But I haven't I'm pretty new, so I haven't it's not like I have 100 or like even like 1,000 subscribers where I'm like, oh, I promise I'll upload every week. I just kind of like upload whenever. But this is me, right here.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, I subscribe. But yeah, if you like any of these videos, just like, watch, comment,
Okay.
whatever you want. If you want to ride, bro, do you want my number?
Yeah. Do you have Snapchat or no?
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yep.
I prefer that.
Hold up.
Are you in the motorcycle club?
No.
So.
There's a club here?
Yeah, I think it just started this year.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
Yeah. Just scan that.
Yeah.
I haven't went on any rides with him yet, but I see him talk about it all the time. So So what year are you technically?
Technically I'm a 5th.
Technically?
Technically I'm a 5th, yeah. Is this?
How many more would you have left?
Hopefully I only have a year and a half left.
Here, let's switch it up. I'll scan yours.
Okay. Wait, is it a...
That's not bad. Yeah, click that.
There you go.
There we go.
Dude, finally, someone that doesn't have a fucking iPhone. That's just so refreshing.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me add
You
you.
don't have an iPhone either, do you?
No.
Nice.
Dude.
Damn,
Dude, wait, hold on. I need to make sure I add you back. There you are, sweet. Sick.
Alright?
You said you're Juju?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, bro. Yeah, hopefully we can, like, go to that, like, club, meet a bunch of people, like, record shit. Do you care if you're in the video?
No.
Is it cool? Okay, cool. But yeah, man, be safe out there. Hopefully I'll hit you up. Maybe we can ride together soon.
That works for me, man.
Alright, bro. Have a good one.
How do you like that thing?
I love it.
I got an S1000 RR at home.
Oh, like a new one?
2011. It's
Oh.
fibered out, and that's about it.
Okay, no, yeah, those are sick. I was watching a video, like literally a month ago, and this dude just hopped. It was like a 30-second video, and all he did was hop on one, turn it on, and then he was from 0 to like 150 in like,
Fast.
dude, in like 10 fucking seconds.
Fast.
Yeah, dude.
Is this thing pretty fast? Is it pretty torquey or what?
No, it's not like really fast. It's just real torquey. It's
Like an MC09 basically.
basically.
W version.
Yeah. It's like a mid-engine. It's still a parallel twin.
Okay.
But they've cranked it like to a 240-degree firing order, so it's just torquey. It's just torquey. Yeah. Like it can go fast, but it's more torque than it is like speed, like an R1 or whatever.
I feel.
Yeah.
This thing's sweet, man.
Yeah, bro. Do you ride often?
Oh yeah, I'm always down here. I live about 15 minutes south of campus. I go to school here, so.
Okay. Yeah. No, me too. The guy was just telling me there's like a motorcycling club or something, but
Yeah, we all meet. You know, Rallies is on High Street.
Yeah.
We all meet there.
that's cool.
Right. Well, anywhere from probably 8 o'clock on.
Okay.
Day,
Is there a page for this?
yeah, there's like 4 pages.
All right, hold on.
Go on Facebook.
Is there anything other than Facebook? I don't go on Facebook that much.
No, that's all that we have groups on.
Okay, hold on. What's the, hold on.
So on Facebook, there's one called Columbus Riders, there's Columbus Bike Life, and then there's NFG. The other one you wouldn't want to mess with. It's for that 4 wheelers and dirt bikes and stuff.
NFG?
Yeah, NFG.
Okay. That's like strictly dirt bike?
No, 614 Bike Life. It's dirt
Okay.
bikes.
You said Columbus Bike Life, NFG,
And then Columbus Riders.
Columbus Riders.
Yeah, they hold rides and stuff. Yeah, we always meet at the rallies up there. I mean, one night just go there and you'll see a bunch of people. I've
Alright.
been riding lately, but I'm sometimes up there.
Do you have a Snap?
Yeah, I'm either on my BMW or I have a street legal dirt bike on the ride.
Oh, that's sweet. I want to get into dirt biking.
It's fun. I'm trying to get rid of it actually.
Are you?
A lot of my friends race and I'm drag racing bikes. I'm trying to get into that. So I'm trying to get rid of my dirt bike.
What do you have, like a WRZ or?
It's a 2012 KX250S.
Oh shit.
Like 1,200 miles on it.
Okay. Well, depending, I might buy that off you. Yeah.
I'm trying to get rid of it. I'm trying to get a drag bike, and then once I get rid of that, once I get rid of dirt bike, I'll put some money. I have a Camaro.
Okay.
Put some money into the cam and stuff.
Oh, okay. You're trying to mod it. What's your Snap?
C-Down 9, C-D-O-W-N 9. Come up with cameras.
Is that you? Sweet. Yeah, bro, do you get on YouTube a lot? I was telling him I make YouTube videos and like do Moto-Vlogs and shit.
I don't really get on YouTube here. Which is it hasn't popped up yet.
It's hold on.
Or I can scan your thing. It just hasn't popped up yet. Oh, there it is.
Did you get it? Yep, that's me. Yep.
Here we go.
Sweet, bro.
Alright, yeah, I mean, I'll let you know if I go out. I don't know yet if I'll be out tonight, but depends on the weather and how much work I have.
Yeah, I don't think I can just because I have a long day today and then I work all day tomorrow. But yeah. If I see you down there, then
Yeah, or just at me if you're going down. Like,
okay.
I'll let you know.
All right, but yeah, maybe all three of us can hang out
Saturdays, it gets pretty busy there.
Saturday.
Drive those
I do. I'll ride any day, but.
They stay out pretty late. They'll stay there for a bit, and they go to drag race and stuff, and just go ride.
Oh shit. Okay.
I'll wait.
Yeah. I just got to be kind of careful because like I can't get carried away. Because I'm like fairly new. I've only been riding for a year and a half.
Okay. I mean, obviously you're probably not gonna drag race. Their bikes are all stretched and nitrous.
Oh, okay. It's like all kitted out and shit. Okay.
A lot of them. Some of them aren't, but a lot of them.
Okay. Yeah, I might just come down there and like hang out and meet people and shit.
Yeah, they'll hang out there, which gets kind of annoying because they just like to sit there half the time.
Really?
And ride. So sometimes we'll sit there, sometimes we'll ride.
Alright. What do you guys like usually ride around?
Some go on country rides. Some go around like 270 loop. Some just ride on a high street or go to race spots.
Yeah,
It just depends.
that sounds fun.
Ride all over. Some will go like to Cincinnati or somewhere just because.
Oh, just cause like fuck it. Yeah, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I gotta get out of here, but hey, hopefully I'll see you soon.
Oh, I'll see you.
Hey, do you want me to like blur you out of the video or you care?
Oh, I don't
You don't care? Alright.
care.
Yeah, no, I'm recording right now.
I don't care.
Alright, okay. Alright. Hey, see you, man. What?
What's your YouTube channel?
It's here, I'll type it out. I don't know if you watch anime, but it's like a funny reference to.
Type it in the show. Pop up.
Oh shit. I don't know if you have a YouTube account, but you can subscribe or whatever you want to do. I have a few videos up and shit. Just like, I just talk about like, I love talking about like psychology and like, just like random shit. No. Oh, well, I am criminal justice.
That's what I'm in.
Are you? That's so funny. Dude, yeah, no, that'd be lit.
Better I wanted to do it.
Yeah. But yeah, give me a subscribe, watch my videos, comment if you want, whatever you want, bro.
Alright, I got you. I'll see you around.
Yeah, man, see you. You too. Alrighty, mate. It's fucking amazing how you can just meet people like that. I don't know, man. When I throw this up, you'll see I literally just met two fucking broskies back to back. Back to back. One broski pops up, talks to me, yo, what's up? Cool bike. I'm like, yours too. You know, shoot the shit. And then literally right after him, another broski comes. But I just got told there's a bike group down here, so I might, you know, go hang out with some folks and get to meet some people. I still need to get used to fucking talking and riding. Still need to get used to that shit, man. I gotta just pop my camera out and just fucking talk, like shit, just ride and talk. But yes, lads, I'm back in school after that whole pandemic issue. Took a year off. I'm back now, finish out my college and move on with my fucking life. Hopefully I take me in this beautiful BMW F900R and fuck off to somewhere warmer, you know, like Texas, maybe Florida, or maybe not, you know, who knows. Life be weird like that sometimes, but that's just so fucking crazy. Literally, I'm putting gas in my bike, one bro pops up, another bro pops up. God damn. Ah, man, life is good sometimes, but it can be, you know what I mean? But anywho,